Hey guys, in today's video I'll be telling how to boost your Wi-Fi in Windows 10. Many people has problems with Wi-Fi that it only lasts up to 100 to 900 KB. So today I'll be telling you how to make it up to 2 to 3 MB. Let's get started. First you have to run some commands. Click on the Windows icon and the R key to open this run command window. And type in cmd and click on enter. Once you're there, type ipconfig/flush DNS and click on enter. Once it's actually flushed the DNS controller, cut the window, take the Windows search bar and type in command prompt and click on run as administrator. Allow the permissions, and once the window is opened, type in this netsh winsock reset. Click on enter. Once it's done, you have to restart your computer to complete the reset. Restart your computer and I'll see you after that. So guys, after you're done with the reset, have to go to settings, Wi-Fi settings. Once you're in settings, select the Wi-Fi page, then go here and click on change adapter options. Once you're there, right click on the adapter options and click on properties. And once you're here, click on configure, the first one, and then select advanced and find roaming aggressiveness, keep it into lowest, and then click on OK. Once you're there, Wi-Fi will take some time in connecting, but it will do connect. After that, you have to change your DNS server. Go to your Wi-Fi, right click and then select properties and click on Internet Protocol version 4 if it's ticked, and then click on properties and change it to the below DNS. If you want, you could give alternate DNS, but I'm not giving one. I just give out 1 space 1 space 1 space 1. Click on OK. Once it's configured, and close, and then Wi-Fi is upgraded. Now let's speed test and check it out. So we are going to speed test it. I got 37.53 download Mbps and 79.25 upload MB. That's what I call some improvement. That's how you boost your Wi-Fi on Windows 10. I hope you liked the video.